Hey everyone, Jim here, Las Vegas real estate agent and investor. Welcome to our featured Invest with Jim listing at 3922 Painted Lady. If you're looking for a turnkey investment or a modern home in a hot area of the valley, this is one to see. This home is in 89141, the Southwest Enterprise area. Key features is that it is a high demand area. It is close to freeways and has quick access across the valley and into Henderson. The airport and strip are within 15 minutes, making it ideal for renters or buyers wanting convenience. Nearby, you'll find plenty of dining and shopping. South Premium Outlets, South Point Casino, Target, Costco are all nearby. You'll also be very close to South Rainbow and the St. Rose Parkway area with endless shopping and restaurants. Also nearby, one of the biggest feature draws is the Brightline High-Speed Rail. This is an all-electric train that will connect Las Vegas to Southern California at speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, so slightly slower than I drive, but this is going to cut your Vegas to SoCal trip to 2 hours. Let's talk about schools in this area. It's zoned for Desert Oasis High School, Tarkanian Middle School, and Dennis Ortline Elementary. Private schools in this area are Primrose Academy, Southern Highlands Prep, and Bishop Gorman. Magnet and charter schools in this area include Southwest and South Career and Technical Academies, and Pinecrest Academy at St. Rose. This home was built in 2024 by Richmond American. Everything in the home is brand new. This home is 1,580 square feet. It is a 3-bedroom and 2.5 bathroom house. In the kitchen includes quartz counters and an island with a breakfast bar. It has 42-inch upper cabinets, stainless steel appliances, a tile backsplash, and a pantry. It's move-in ready for you or one of your tenants. Upstairs, you'll find a loft outside of the primary bedroom. The primary suite has dual vanities with quartz counters, a tile shower, and a walk-in closet. Good thing about this layout is the primary bedroom is on the opposite side of the house as the secondary bedrooms. For the investment perspective, this home was built in 2024, so no major CapEx. So your roof is going to be good for a long time. HVAC, water heater, appliances, everything's very new. Average rents in this area for similar homes are around $2,400 a month. And what's great about this area is the low vacancy, and that's due to the very convenient location. There's also great appreciation potential in this area. 89141 shows modest gains, but overall continues to grow across the valley. Let's not forget that Nevada has no state income tax, and it also has landlord-friendly laws with no rent control and favorable eviction laws. If you're an investor or buyer looking for a modern, low-maintenance home in a high-demand area, add this one to your short list. Reach out to schedule a private tour today or just to get more info. I'd be glad to walk you through the comps and projected cash flow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and share this with a friend who may be interested. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.